The starting machine is here, and this is the Honda CB1000R Street Fighter 2024. It's only been 2 months since Honda issued a patent for the current CB1000R hair. In fact, it will be a slightly different nude model compared to the current top models from the Neo Sports Café range. The CB1000R has been in production since 2008 and was not sold in Japan until 2018 when the model, while evolving but always evolving from the Fireblade inline 4-cylinder engine, saw no styling change from the Street Fighter style. World-oriented cafe racer. According to several rumors circulating in Japan, Honda will review the model technically and aesthetically. Outstanding patent drawings concern at least 3 technical solutions and hint at other changes. We see a new aluminum alloy frame, derived from the super sports car Fireblade, made into an updated version of the inline 4 that currently makes 145 horsepower in the latest CB1000R version. New is a rear suspension articulated to a single-sided rocker arm, always with progressive linkage, but with a single shock absorber lateral position. A solution that remembers what has been seen on the Ducati Panigale, and which, among other things, frees up space for the exhaust system. The manufacturer is shown in the patent drawings with the original split terminal. The second patent is dedicated to a pair of aerodynamic wings mounted in an ideal position behind the fork and above the radiator, while the third concerns the rear area. On the low side of the fender, which also bears the license plate, you can see the vertical direction indicator. Japanese site Webike has rendered a render of a possible CB1000R due for release in 2024. The style would therefore leave the cafe racer setup for the sportier ones, such as BMW, Ducati, Honda, and Yamaha, for example, with the higher power 4 cylinders. Performance improvements that could be of concern to future Hondas, which, at that point, will be an alternative and not a replacement for the current Neo Sports Café. That's our reviewed CB1000R Street Fighter.